Okay, so good morning. If you are writing your thesis or paper and you are struggling with writing equations in Word, so here's the tip. So you can use AI tool for this. So particularly here I'm using Copilot from Microsoft. So simply, uh, like if you want to write the Navier-Stokes equations, and then just go to GPT or Copilot and just uh, give a prompt, provide the Navier-Stokes equation in Cartesian coordinates for LaTeX. Okay, so now we have this LaTeX code for Navier-Stokes. So simply what you have to do, just go to the code and copy this line. Okay, uh, you have to copy all the codes in between these two brackets. Okay, copy and in Word, make sure uh, for inserting equation you have to press Alt plus, and here this option should be clicked LaTeX, so you can see this is on. uh, okay, so now paste your code here and then select it and simply press Alt plus, and here it's a done. It is good to go. It's very simple. So like that you can use GPT or Copilot tool for writing equations in Word. So it's very simple. You can save a lot of time using this technique. Okay, so yeah, all good. Signing out. Bye bye.